Welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to hide the image frames in Autocad. So basically what happens is when you plot your sheet, your even if your image background has been removed, your image frame always kind of shows up. So today I have brought the fix for that. So basically what you see over here, the black line is the image frame basically. So even if you don't have the background of the image in the image, but still the image frame is always visible in the default AutoCAD settings. So for that, what you have to do is you basically have to select the image from which you want to remove the image frame, and you have to you have to type the command image frame, which is right over here, IMAGE FRAME, which is image frame is the command. And then you have to enter the value of 0, and it will the AutoCAD software will automatically refresh itself. And now when you plot when you plot the sheet, you will clearly get a image without any frame, and like a completely clean sheet as you have intended to get. You will get that output basically. So this is how remove the remove the image frame from the layout. And basically after that, what you do is you basically select the previous plot patterns, and you simply save the file wherever is necessary, and we will delete the rest of thing, and we will save the file basically.